This is a video about clinical notes for Dialysis Assistant in RenalGenie. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Let's start by learning how to add clinical notes specifically for Dialysis Assistant, which will be categorized under Others. Log into RenalGenie with your Dialysis Assistant credentials. Select the patient profile you are working with from the patient list. On the left submenu, choose Clinical Notes. Click the plus button located at the bottom right of the page to add a new clinical note. Choose Others. Write in your notes at the blank box. Click Save. We can see that the note has been successfully saved. We can also view the note details and who created the note and the timestamp. Now let's see how to edit and delete the notes. Please remember that you can only edit or delete notes that you have created. Notes created by others cannot be edited or deleted by you. Click on the three dots next to your note. Here, you can see the options to either delete the note or edit it. If you want to delete the note, choose Delete. If you want to edit the note, choose Edit. The final part covers how to view and filter the notes. There are two options to view the Others notes. The first option is to view the Others notes from the Notes tab. Click on the Notes tab above. Here, you can filter the notes by the date you want. Click on the Others chip to filter. We can view the notes here. Next, let's explore the second option. Option 2 is to view the notes from the patient's profile. Click on the patient's profile. Choose Clinical Notes. Click on the Others chip to filter the notes. Thank you for watching. Here are some video suggestions that you can also watch.